everyone, it's Mara and welcome back to my channel. So today I have some very exciting news. I finally found my dream LPS. Now I know what you're probably thinking, yeah, I've put titles of other videos as I found my dream LPS, but this time, this one is real. So this LPS is very famous and very hard to find. She goes for maybe $150 on the internet and so on and so forth. I finally found LPS 675. Now it did come with obviously some other accessories because they just said I was just such a lovely person to work with, but all in all it cost me $39 plus shipping, and yeah, that price for me is really expensive because in Australia it's in AUD dollars and that gets very pricey. So technically I got her for 60 US dollars if I'm calculating right, because basically the US dollar and Australian dollar, it's very expensive, so but yeah. But overall I am so excited, like I am going to cry. Like this pet I've been wanting since I was, oh gosh, since I was like 8. I don't obviously want her just because she's from LPS Popular. She's just a pet that I love. She's so gorgeous and she's so different from any other dachshund, which I'll go into detail later, but otherwise, let's get this video on the road. As you guys can probably tell, my setup is a little different. I had a birthday recently, so happy birthday to Mara, but I recently got a tripod for this birthday, and so new videos will be coming out looking much more professional, and I also got new lighting. Here's the video without lighting, here's the video with lighting. Now it's only slightly different as I only got a small ring light, but it makes such a difference just to add that little extra contrast to the videos. But anyway, enough technical talk, let's open my dream LPS.
Just to make sure that it was in there, but
here she is! Oh my god! Oh, I actually can't believe this. She's in my hands right now. Okay, so she did come with a few accessories, so I'll go over those. But oh my goodness, she's here and beautiful. Oh my gosh! Just look at her. She's jiggling and everything. Like, that right there is a beautiful and original, authentic LPS right there, and I'm containing my happiness right now, but oh my gosh. So before we go any further, before we review LPS 675, I'm going to go over the accessories Cecilia happily gave me because she said I was just so nice, which was lovely because I don't have any LPS accessories. But yeah, let's do that. So I got a LPS, like the present box. It comes off like so. It's very nice, very clean too, very well kept. Next item is the bowls and stuff, the ones without the kibble. I would have liked the kibble ones, but these would do too. I'm really happy though. I got a lunch baggie. Now I don't remember which set this came from, but I'll try and find a photo because I've only ever seen the ones where it has like the paw mark on it, but it is really cool. It looks very authentic. A cute LPS toy. It's a little cat. It's very cute. The next are some doggy treats. Well, food in this case, but they are doggy treats. They're super cute too. A little ice cream. A LPS camera. Now I have another camera, and these, because I have two, it's giving me ideas for my new series. Yes, I'm writing another series because I don't want the channel to get dry, but you guys are being super nice about the new LPS Othersiders. I know it's a little choppy, but the editing software I'm using just takes a long time to render videos, so if I were to fix it up, I'd have to take that video down and you guys would have to wait maybe another 2 days, and I just don't want to do that. So yeah. The absolute mother load of this, she actually gave me LPS clothes. She gave me a skirt. I'm not actually sure if this is for LPS. I think it goes on like their body. She had it as like a skirt and it kind of made the pet a bit wonky when she stood. But yeah, I'm gonna try it on her and see if it's like a, you know, like a neck piece. And last but not least, something that is widely appreciate and really hard to find. LPS collars, and this one's super pretty because it's like one of the ones that have the little flower on it. It looks so cute on the pet, like it looks so cute on her. I love it. Right, now we're going to move on to the pet herself. Now the features of this pet are very distinctive and everybody knows what she looks like, but I'm going to review her anyway because it's what Mara says, Mara goes. Wait, that doesn't make sense, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So, as you know, she's Savannah from LPS Popular, and she is just mind-blowingly gorgeous, and I can see why everybody's obsessed with her, and everybody wants her. And now I have her, and I'm just so happy. Oh, she looks amazing, apart from scratching on her nose. Everywhere else, she has no ink splotches, nothing, a little bit of tail missing. But honestly, she's gorgeous, and I am so obsessed with her. Like, she's just gorgeous, and then everything about her is amazing, and I don't know what to say because I am just lost for words. I'm trying to be subtle of how excited I am, but I'm actually lost for words. Like, I'm generally so happy that I found her. If you guys ever need advice on buying rare LPS, and you find the one you're looking for straight away, but it's so much money, don't buy it first go. You will find the one you're looking for eventually. I've been wanting this pet, as I said, since I was 8 years old. And every time I looked on her and found her online, she was always $100, $150, $200. And it's just, why? I mean, I get it. She's a rare LPS, and I get that. They're not sold anymore. I get that. She's from LPS Popular. I get that. But it's just a toy. Like, in theory, yes, it's just a toy, but she's so much more than that. And I can understand why people realize that when people say that to me, that she's worth that much, and I believe them now. Like, she's literally standing in my presence. Savannah, it's so nice to meet you. Extremely cringy, and I'm very sorry. Oh my god. This is about me blabbering. Let's go over the pet in detail. So her eyes are super pretty as usual, and they have no scarring or scratches or anything, so they look super glossy and nice. And there's no physical like damage on her at the front, which is good. Like, you don't want that. On the bottom, she has marks from where she was played as a kid. Her magnet's a little rusty and, you know, a little dirty. And her underneath as well, you can see it's very rusty as well, indicating it is a real LPS, and it has a clear magnet as well. Back of her, all her markings are super nice, except for her tail where she's missing a little bit, and I think it's a little bit broken on the bottom, on the top of the tail. As you can see, it's a little flat, but that doesn't bother me because she's gorgeous. Just look at her face, like pure perfection, if you ask me. It feels so weird being in the presence of this LPS. That's probably gonna be a mess, just me completely out of context, but I can't believe she's here in my hands. Oh my god. To stop myself from blabbering on and being a total wreck this video, I'm going to show you some visual differences I've found with the Savannah mode or the LPS 675 mode of Dachshund to others. There's just, I can see a difference, and maybe some people won't, and people are like, what is she talking about? She's crazy. Because I am. But I see a difference, so let's go over them. So I have two types of Dachshunds here. Now immediately I can see a difference. You can see on this one, her legs are straight. Hers are more curved, this one as well, and you can see the way their toes stick out, so they're more prominent to LPS 675. And I notice right off the bat as well, her ear curve in the middle here is bigger and more prominent. Now obviously all LPS eyes differentiate between each pet, but it's just so different. With this pet, her eyes are the same, but she doesn't have that thick eyeliner that this one has to make her eyes look even bigger. This one has painted on eyes and makes the pet look completely different again. And with this one here, you can see that her mouth is slightly more deepened, but this one has that sort of prominent mouth, if that makes sense. I'm probably overthinking it. I'm just flabbergasted that this pet just looks so different to every other Dachshund that I've seen. And that's what makes her so unique. That's probably why so many people want her. In all honesty, if you guys ever ever find the pet of your dreams and for a good price, you make sure that you get her straight away. And that's exactly what I did. I would just said, screw it, I'm sick of waiting. I finally bought her. And it was the best decision of my life. She's in my hands now and there's nothing that person can do. But yeah, she's in great condition. As I said, everything else, I don't really care. As long as her face was perfect. This video was probably all over the place to watch. It was just me being flabbergasted at this pet and how happy I am to finally have her. And just a disclaimer, I'm not bragging on any way whatsoever about the pet that I have. It's just she's my dream LPS, so I have to be so excited to get her, and I am. It's just, gosh. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I just really love this pet and she's obviously my dream pet, so I kinda, you know, go into detail and I'm just so excited. And as I said, this video is a little bit messy because, you know, I'm just so flabbergasted that I have this pet in my possession and I've waited. But yeah, that includes this video. I'm sorry it's so short, but there was really nothing I could say much more about this pet, otherwise it's just gonna end up being gibberish and me blurting over this beautiful pet. I just love her. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. It will really help me out and it supports the channel. And make sure you guys support my channel even more by subscribing. It really helps me out and shows that you guys really like my content. And thank you guys so much for watching, and that means Mara out. Peace!